skeletal muscle physiology. When we see this system, skeletal muscle physiology, basically there are three types of muscles we basically know, that is skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. When we see this skeletal muscle physiology and when we see the first part, that is muscular system functions, that is skeletal muscular system functions, they are mainly responsible for locomotion, that means body movement. Secondly, for maintenance of posture. Third, for respiration. Fourth, communication, either verbal or facial. Constriction of organs and vessels. Heartbeat. Production of body heat, that is thermogenesis. These are the number of functions that are or the muscles are responsible for these functions. When I see these properties of the muscle, basically the most important property is excitability, that is capacity of muscle to respond to a stimulus, that is excitability. Contractility, the ability of a muscle to shorten and generate pulling force is contractility. Extensibility, muscle can be stretched back to its original length, that is extensibility. Elasticity, ability of muscle to recoil to original resting length after stretch, that is elasticity. These are the basic four properties. When we summarize this, excitability, contractility, extensibility and elasticity, these are the properties of muscle. Now when you see the types of muscles are, we already see muscles are divided into three groups: skeletal muscle group, smooth muscle group and cardiac muscle group. The skeletal muscles are attached to the bone, makes up about 40% of the body weight. These skeletal muscles are responsible for locomotion, facial expressions, posture, respiratory movements and other types of body movements. These are voluntary in action and these are controlled by somatic motor neurons. These are the basic peculiarities of skeletal muscle. When you see the smooth muscle, in the wall of hollow organs, blood vessels, eyes, glands, uterus, skin, etc. There's some functions like propel urine, mix food in digestive tract, dilating and constricting pupil, regulating blood flow, etc. In some locations, autorhythmic properties may be observed in smooth muscles. These are controlled involuntarily by endocrine and autonomic nervous system. When you see this cardiac muscle, heart, major source of movement of blood. Main underlying property is autorhythmicity. These are controlled involuntarily by endocrine and autonomic nervous systems.